Hey, hi. For all the followers um, from very long time, I've been speaking about ingredients and specific things from quite a long time when it didn't start in India. To our fortune or misfortune, I do not know. Now there are tens of companies that have come up with very good formulations, and India is also becoming quite conscious. People of India are becoming quite conscious and aware of the ingredients that they're using, and also the companies are coming up with new formulations. I wouldn't say that it's equivalent or on par with ever, but definitely it's catching up. There's no doubt in it. In this particular video, I would want to talk about few products, few ingredients, and what they have done to me. Earlier I was somebody using like I've been never a fan of natural products like turmeric or some oil or some face pack and all. Face pack I was using the earlier, but quite 5 years ago, I've started using vitamins into my skincare. Imagine like 2016, I've started seeing the video of Akriti Sachidev on her skincare video. The first time I've seen about vitamin C, I've learned about it, and then I've gotten it and then started using it. So vitamin C has been my one of the constants, I must say. And I've used different forms of vitamin C and all. I also have a lot of videos about it. So what I want to tell you one thing of my, they're effective for sure. Every vitamin is effective if you're consistent with it. Now I am making this video because now I'm going to office, so my skincare is very consistent. Like I'm using one in the morning, I'm using one in the night. So I can exactly tell you how it's working for me. Now I know the benefits. Though all these years I've been making videos, maybe I was not very consistent with my skincare itself. So now that I'm consistent, I can definitely tell you what exactly each product has done to me. So yeah, let's get into the video. The first thing I would definitely want to talk about is a retinol. I'm sorry, a retinaldehyde. This one I've got from the United States. This is in the form of retinaldehyde, not retinol. The pure retinol for anything, the marker is it should be yellow in color. The more yellow and orange it is, the more effective it is usually. So remember, it's not retinoic acid, it's retinol that you got to use, or retinaldehyde. Retinaldehyde is a very mild form of retinol, this form is currently not available in India. Only I think only one brand has it. Aveen has it, but that is also quite expensive. Even retinol is very expensive. It's okay to use retinol. Now, what retinol particularly does is what I have noticed. It will help you in long term in anti aging for sure. But the thing that I've seen with this is I only use it twice or thrice, only in the night, twice. I have had a very bad acne breakout. Every purge, the bada bada purge nikal raha tha. Though the redness is still there, but what this has done particularly is it upregulates a acne purge. Suppose the purge is this thick. When I start applying retinol, it the undivide, the cells that divide very fast, ting 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 bolke. So it regulates the division of cells, and then what happens to that acne is it just zaps down automatically. I'm not using benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. Just with vitamin A, I'm able to regulate the division of cells and then decrease the purge. Okay, so from I think, and this is done, and within, I must say, this must have done in 3 applications. That means in 1 week. Okay, and secondly, it overall brightens your skin, and it helps you with pores also. It gives an even glow to the skin. This is what retinol has done. I'm not talking about wrinkles or anything. This is what I've seen: pores and upregulation of acne, and overall skin health also. This will improve. The second, as I've said, vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of my favorite things. This is from the Ordinary. Though I got it a year ago, but I was not consistent. Its expiry date be almost aa gaya. Once you open the bottle, you have to finish it within a year. So I've been using this very consistently in the mornings before I go to office. Sometimes in the night also I use it. Currently, I have applied only this one and a moisturizer. So this is turning little yellow, if not completely. That means it's oxidizing, and I need to finish it. This particular bottle is the form of tetrahexadecyl ascorbate, which is a fat-soluble form of vitamin C. And I've mentioned about fat-soluble THD form of vitamin C in my previous videos. Though the research says till now that L-ascorbic acid is only the Um, Beautiful form of, I mean, the most effective form of vitamin C. But this particular form also, it goes deep down to the dermis, and there it converts into vitamin C. To transposition, skin tries to absorb that is more fat soluble than water soluble. So that's the problem with L-ascorbic acid. This one, I have L-ascorbic acid from Ordinary also, but if I apply it, you won't believe me. I feel like I've literally applied some acid on my face. That's how it tingles. So for sensitive skin, and 1 or 2 drops is what you need. This vitamin C THT, it's an oil form and it's very light. And honestly, I have just fallen in love with this product, and it's a very good concentration. It's 20%. If you're using vitamin C, I would probably recommend around 5 to 10 or maximum of 15. But with this one, you can go up to 50% also, if you can, if somebody makes and if you can afford. This is a very costly form of vitamin C than all compared to all forms. So this ascorbyl, sorry, tetraisopalmitate in India, I think Sugandha has it. Sugandha has it in 15% concentration. It has a small bottle and a bada bottle. The bada bottle is just like Ordinary only. That is also priced around 1700 or so. Ingredients and all are also same. Now, what this particular product has done is, it built firmness in my skin. Within 1 month only, I have seen that firmness, and I'm using it from 2 months, very regularly. It is built, earlier when I used to just press my skin, I used to feel thoda dila, but now when I do it, it just, it has that plump, or whatever you call it, has that plump and elasticity, and it has built the beef. I'm not talking about the epidermal health, I'm talking about the dermal health. So it has built the beef inside. Dermis is this thick, epidermis is just 1/10 of dermis, and epidermis cannot use any nutrients, or it doesn't have any stores of nutrients. So it brings the nutrients from the roots, that is from dermis. So this particular one acts directly onto dermis. Well, it may brighten your skin and give a glow. Definitely, it has given glow. I'm not denying it. But what primarily it does is, it keeps your epidermis strong, and when you have a stronger epidermis, naturally your face will be toned and it will be firm. When you lose that firm and elasticity and collagen in the dermis, that is when your skin, sags and all, etc. Yes, this is my experience. Coming to copper peptides also something that's similar to vitamin C. Your particular skin beef, the connection between the dermis and epidermis, copper peptides, the daily damage that you go through, it helps. Suppose you're going a certain amount of damage due to sugar, due to sun exposure, due to chemicals, or due to stress, whatever. What copper peptide does is, उस दिन का डैमेज उसी दिन it will start healing or repairing, etc. So this also helps your skin be very firm, and it will keep your skin like a baby skin. I've been using it quite irregular because the facial hair problem I have. But if you don't have, copper peptides are beautiful. I cannot describe. This is the next superstar. And the last thing is moisturizer. I'm not a very huge fan of moisturizer, but I've been using moisturizers. Now I've started using, because thoda I want to make my skin, I want to focus on my skin now because I have to get married, etc. etc. So I've been using moisturizers. This one I got recently. Again, this is also very beautiful form. I always underestimated moisturizers, but having a moisturizer, how your skin feels, is beautiful, and it overall locks. What moisturizer has particularly done to my skin is, when I apply, it feels very when you apply an active, your skin feels thoda stretchy and all of it. When I apply moisturizer coupled with it, I don't feel that dryness in the skin, and I feel everything is locked up. Beyond that, I don't think I can explain the benefits of moisturizers, because I started recently, and it will be very dishonest if I start talking about the benefits of it. Anyway, I want you to tell me what your moisturizer has done to your skin, what you've particularly experienced with it. This is my experience. Now, every product, the research says so and so will happen. I have shared what each and every product has done to my skin. And maybe next, if I see any other changes, I will definitely tell you. Other thing, I also have like niacin, and I've just shown in the previous video, azelaic acid. I need more time to talk about this, so Amy I cannot say, but definitely it helps with acne. I can only make and tell opinions once I use it for another month at least. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please let me know about your moisturizer and what each ingredient has done to your skin as well in the comments.